India Today has accessed exclusive details of the events that led to a brawl in which wrestler Sagar Dhankad was killed. And sources have told India Today that this fight took place over a flat in Delhi's Model Town locality owned by wrestler Sushil Kumar's wife. Delhi police believe that several criminals used to take shelter in this flat. They've also hinted at a wrestler criminal nexus that led to this murder. Sources have also told India Today that on the 4th of May, wrestler Sagar Dhankad was accompanied by Sonu Mahal, who was also injured in this brawl, an alleged gangster. Sonu Mahal is the nephew of notorious criminal Sandeep Kala, alias Kala Jethadi, and was amongst the men who had taken shelter at wrestler Sushil Kumar's flat. Now, he was asked to vacate the flat along with Sagar Dhankad because of unpaid rent and other issues. India Today has also learned that Neeraj Bhavana's, again a gangster, Neeraj Bhavana's henchmen accompanied wrestler Sushil Kumar when he took on Sagar and Sonu at Delhi's Chhatrasal Stadium. Sources say that a Scorpio vehicle found at the spot after murder belonged to Sagar Dhankad and Neeraj Bhavana gang. Sushil Kumar had apparently used a sportswoman's scooty to flee with an accomplice Ajay, but the police nabbed both of them along with the two-wheeler. The scooty reportedly belongs to a young sportswoman. Sushil Kumar avoided using his mobile phone, but the police were also tracking his internet dongle, which he used while on the run. Delhi police are now set to hand over this case to the crime branch.
चौंकाने वाला खुलासा हुआ है कि इस कार में जो लोग सवार थे वो दिल्ली के कुख्यात गैंगस्टर नीरज बवानिया, जो फिलहाल जेल में है, उसके लोग थे जो सुशील कुमार के समर्थन में आए थे, जबकि जो सागर धनखड़ था उसके साथ फिलहाल जो मोस्ट वांटेड गैंगस्टर है संदीप काला उर्फ काला जठेड़ी, उसके लोग थे। सागर के साथ एक शख्स सोनू नाम का मौजूद था। सोनू दरअसल गैंगस्टर संदीप काला का भांजा है, उसे भी मारपीट में चोट लगी थी। उसके बाद से ही संदीप जो काला है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा गुस्से में है, उसने सुशील को देख लेने की धमकी दी है। तो पहलवानों और क्रिमिनल के बीच का गठजोड़ वो सामने आ रहा है। एक तरफ ओलंपिक पदक विजेता सुशील कुमार, जिसके साथ कुख्यात गैंगस्टर नीरज बवानिया गैंग के लोग थे, जबकि सागर धनखड़ के साथ संदीप काला गैंग के लोग थे और फ्लैट को लेकर ये झगड़ा हुआ था। तो कुल मिलाकर अगर इस स्कॉर्पियो कार की बात की जाए तो इस स्कॉर्पियो कार को जब छत्रसाल स्टेडियम के पास से सीज किया गया था तो इसमें डबल बैरंग की बंदूक मिली थी, लाठी डंडे मिले थे और कारतूस भी बरामद हुआ था। इस गाड़ी को दिल्ली पुलिस ने सीज किया है।
Now, Olympics medalist Sushil Kumar was an icon. He was a role model, and Delhi police say even they found it strange that after this incident, instead of joining investigations, he was on the run for almost a fortnight. Now, the victim, Sagar Dhankad's family say this is shocking. This is a case of a teacher killing the student. Of course, it is now a matter of investigation. India Today's Chaiti Narula now explains the timeline of events.
So Sushil Kumar has been arrested. Let's bring you a timeline of events on 4th of May. Let's begin with that. Sagar Rana was allegedly beaten to death on the 4th of May. This is the timeline. On 6th of May, there was an FIR lodged against the wrestler Sushil Kumar. On 9th of May, there was a lookout circular or an LOC against Sushil Kumar. Now let's go on, skip to 15th of May. Delhi court issued the non-bailable warrant against Sushil Kumar. Cut to 17th May, a day after that, cash reward announced for Olympic medalist. 18th of May, Sushil filed an anticipatory bail plea, and 18th of May, the court denied the bail application. 19th of May, Sushil was arrested from Delhi's Mundka area, and this is the timeline of events as it stands.
So, two-time Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar was arrested after being on the run for close to a fortnight in the murder case of a fellow wrestler. A Delhi court has now remanded Sushil Kumar to 6 days in police custody.
On the run for 2 weeks, a non-bailable warrant, and a murder charge. No, we aren't talking about a criminal, but an Olympic hero. Life has turned upside down for two-time Olympic medalist wrestler Sushil Kumar since his name cropped up in the murder case of a 23-year-old wrestler. Police were on the lookout for Sushil since May the 4th and were finally able to arrest him from Delhi's Mundka area, along with his aide Ajay on Sunday, which ironically is World Wrestling Day.
आप देख पा रहे हैं सुशील कुमार को जो दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम है वो अब गिरफ्तार करने के बाद पेशी के लिए लेके जा रही है। ये है सुशील कुमार, आप देख पा रहे हैं जो सुशील है और अजय कुमार है, उसको लेकर बकायदा जो दिल्ली पुलिस है अब वो फिजिकली रोहिणी कोर्ट में पेशी के लिए लेकर जा रही है।
Trouble began for the 37-year-old wrestler from the very own stadium where he's revered like an idol, the Chhatrasal Stadium. On the fateful night of May 4th, two groups of wrestlers clashed with each other at the stadium. Cops alleged that Sushil and his associate assaulted 23-year-old fellow wrestler Sagar Rana and his friends. Rana had to be hospitalized and later died of his injuries. Now the family of the deceased have demanded death sentence for Sushil Kumar.
पूछताछ होगी, कर लेंगे जी, सख्त से सख्त सजा मिलनी चाहिए। मेरे तो सजा मांग है, मेरे को पूरा विश्वास है कानून पर।
गुरु ही शिष्य का कातिल, जैसे सुशील ने तो काम किया है तो गुरु ने शिष्य का कत्ल किया है। गुरु की गरिमा पे भी अब लोग सवाल उठाएंगे।
Cops had announced a bounty of 1 lakh rupees for information on Sushil Kumar, and an FIR was registered against him for murder, abduction and criminal conspiracy. The wrestler had then filed an anticipatory bail plea but was rejected by Delhi's Rohini court on May the 18th.
सुशील कुमार और उसके सहयोगी अजय कुमार को गिरफ्तार किया गया जब दोनों स्कूटी पर सवार होकर किसी से मिलने के लिए जा रहे थे। दरअसल प्लानिंग ये थी कि सुशील कुमार दिल्ली पुलिस को चकमा देकर कोर्ट में सरेंडर कर देगा, लेकिन वो कामयाब नहीं हो पाया। स्पेशल सेल की टीम ने मुंडका इलाके से सुशील कुमार, जिस पर दिल्ली पुलिस ने 1 लाख रुपए का इनाम रखा था, अजय जिस पर 50,000 रुपए का इनाम था, दोनों को गिरफ्तार किया है।
Sushil Kumar is not new to controversies. In the build-up to the 2016 Rio Olympics, he was engaged in a legal battle with Narsingh Yadav over the trials. Later, when Narsingh tested positive for a banned substance, he alleged foul play. A year later, Sushil's camp was involved in the attack on wrestler Praveen Rana, following a trial bout between the two in 2017. The third controversy involved Sushil, the administrator, where mismanagement allegations were leveled against him as the president of School Games Federation of India. Charges were never proven against Sushil in any of the controversies. The law will decide whether the 37-year-old Sushil Kumar is guilty or not in the murder of a young wrestler. But by opting to run, India's most successful wrestler has made only things worse for himself. With Arvind Ojha in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.